It's not about waiting for everything to align or waiting for the perfect conditions or feeling comfortable or doing what's considered normal. It's about embracing the cold, being tired, going too far, or through the most rugged roads. It's about seeking discomfort and seeking a lifestyle where the adventure never stops. About being truly connected to what surrounds you. It's about making the graceful escape and embracing the unexpected. And it might not be suited for everyone, but it is for us. Because in the end, we know that if we keep going and we push through the cold and get used to being tired and being uncomfortable, if we push through all the setbacks and failed expectations, we find the brief moments of happiness, of freedom, of joy in the most simple of things. And we feel more connected than ever to everything around us. That's when we know that the long and winding road was worth it. Because even though these moments are temporary, the memories last forever.